doing, Paul?
Climbing.
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 Climbing, and now what are you going to do?
Tool. Hey. Oh. Hey. Climb.
Hello, Ginger. Are you going to help Papa? Papa's over there working on something. You going to help Papa?
Okay.
Does he need any tools?
Yay.
Does he need any tools?
Yay. What are you doing?
You're still messing with that box? Okay, I thought you'd have that in.
What?
I thought you'd have that one in by the time we got there.
Well, I had to take it out.
Oh. Where are you going, Pauline?
Not going. Climbing.
Not
You're
going,
just-
he's coming.
He's climbing. He's
Climbing? Oh, okay.
He's climbing. He loves to climb. Oh, look, he's moved on to a bigger climb. Okay, don't go up there. Back down. I don't think you're going to like it up there when you get to the top. Pretty high. Hi, sweetie. You what? What do you want? Climb up it. Yes. Climb on the ladder. Do you see ladder? Oh, you're a busy guy. You have to ask Grandpa before you grab any of his tools.
Paul, get out of that. Thank you.
Oh boy, a battery. Does Papa need the battery?
That's his battery.
Oh, it's his battery, the one that you emptied. It's a good decoy. Ah,
That's the placebo battery.
yeah. Okay. Why are you climbing with tools in your hands? You don't climb with tools in your hands. No, you don't climb with tools in your hands. Paul, you don't climb with tools in your hands. Put it down. You can climb, but you can't do it with that in your hand.
Polly!
He's bringing you something else to install, Papa.
Yes.
Are you hungry yet, Paul?
Nope. Once he's doing, he won't be.
Wow, he's just bringing everything to you, Papa. He's arranging them for you very nicely.
He's very careful at arranging that
Yeah,
stuff.
he's very organized.
Hi, Papa.
Like he's getting ready for surgery or something.
Hi, Polly. You going in there? No, I need that. Leave that there. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah, the level stays.
Don't keep moving the styrofoam. Move the stuff you've got already. I see it's all here. Look.
Yes, yes,
Arranged.
yes. And he had the can
Patterns.
sitting upright. He had everything very neatly organized.
Climbing.
Climbing, yes, you're climbing.
Climbing. Paul's climbing.
Yes.
Here, let's make this a baby parkour.
Oh, well, okay. I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
With a prize.
Okay. I had kind of discouraged him from climbing the tall one. Oh.
There you go.
Good boy.
Getting things. No, don't flip. Whack, whack, whack.
Yeah, see, that's why I want the windows covered when you're done.
Mhm.
He doesn't usually throw things, but it only takes once, you know.
Climbing.
Climbing again.
Yes.
No.
Better point of view. Nope. Not
Nope,
it.
Not
Here.
it? Okay.
Try this one, Paul. Paul. Try this one. Tall steps, aren't they, Paul? They'll get shorter as you get bigger.
Hey, you gonna dance? Wanna dance with Papa? It's not. There we go.
What?
Yeah, like the Blues Brothers.
Then it makes the dog squeak. Ginger! You like that because it has shorter steps, don't you?
I've got to get some good tape of him
Nope.
dancing like the Blues Brothers. He does it so well. Whoa! Are you okay?
Yeah, he's fine. Not even upset. Okay, once again, you don't play with those. No. Thank you. Leave it alone, Paul.
Okay, Paul, I think it's time for lunch. Let's go get some lunch.
You hungry, Paul?
Look, Papa.
Yes. Screws. Oh, actually, that's one screw and two nails. Two screws and one nail.
Happy
Where'd the
dance.
other nail go?
Happy dance. You have the board, huh? Are you going to take out everything Papa's putting in there?
No, don't go in there, Paul.
Don't go in
Got
there.
loose wires in there.
Okay, let's go get lunch.
Baby.
Heavy, yes. It's heavy. Let's go back. Let's go to the kitchen and get some lunch.
Hi, Papa.
Hey, Paulie.
Okay, we'll wash your hands
Lunchtime.
too. Come on, let's wash your hands and get ready for lunch.
Lunchtime.
Say thank you, Pop. What?
Oh, he's gonna cry. You told him it's time
It's
to go get
lunchtime
food.
and you're gonna cry? No, don't climb up there.
He's already been up there.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh.
This morning before his first bath.
Oh.
When he was catty.
Yeah.
He tried here, and couldn't make it, and then he